my lovelies. I am Madam Crystal Butterfly, and I'm really tired right now. I just finished writing Curse of Frog Prince Part 2, and, you know, I have to send that to my editor, but before I can even get started on that, I have to do some editing with the book to clean up some stuff. And as I said, I'll have to send it to my editor, but then I gotta have the editor send it back to me when they're done for a secondary edit to make sure everything, up to what I want to be. And after I do that, I might have to send it back to my editor, or I'll need to begin formatting. And I don't even want to think about that. Because in addition to that, I got a bunch of other books in the work I gotta finish. And it's the holiday season. I have only gotten a third of my Christmas shopping done. And don't say, well, you can just order it off Amazon. Ordering is still a pain in the rear because you got to figure out what you want to get for people. And even after you do that, you got to see if it's a reasonable price. Because there could always be, just better deals somewhere else. And for all you know, that somewhere else may not let you order from them offline. You have to go and get it in person and drive your truck over there. And that is not even including Christmas dinner. Speaking of dinner, y'all, I'm hungry. I'm also tired. I could just order something off of Grubhub or Uber Eats. Maybe, call the Chinese food place up the street, but nah. Because I want to eat now, and even with that, there's a bit of a wait, and I don't really feel like waiting super long. You know what, my lovelies? Since I'm worn out, I'm going to cook me a worn out meal. Now, how do you cook yourself a worn out meal? Simple. You make yourself a super tasty dinner that does not require a whole lot of effort, and it turns out super good. Wondering what I mean by that? Well, my lovelies, come with me down to my author's kitchen, and I will show you how to make some incredibly easy, hassle-free, lazy lamb meatballs that will make the perfect dinner when you are wore out like me and just do not feel like being bothered. Alrighty, my lovelies. Before I get to my lazy lamb meatballs, I washed a couple of sweet potatoes, gave them a few pokes with a knife on both sides, then oiled them both with a little bit of vegetable oil, put them in a pie dish, and stuck them in the oven on 400. Now these are going to need to cook for 45 minutes to an hour until soft. And all you need to do to check when they're soft is put on your oven mitt and give them a little squeeze. If they feel really soft, then they're done. And as my potatoes are cooking, I am going to sit back and relax for 20 minutes, then get started on my meatballs. So, I will see you guys in 20 minutes, although it won't be 20 minutes for you. It'll just be less than a sec. Alright, my lovelies. Now, I'm showing you my seasoning, and I want to apologize really quick. I don't know why, but my camera refused to focus well when I was showing the seasoning. But I am using Tone's rosemary garlic seasoning, and that is all the seasoning I am going to be adding to this dish. And I am going to shake out about a tablespoon into my ground lamb, which I have in this green bowl. Okay, my lovely, sorry to change perspectives on you, but for some reason my tripod did not want to work with me when I was recording this part, but now I am just combining the lamb with the seasoning, just getting it all nice and mixed together. And also, if you want to make these meatballs, you don't have to use lamb. I'm just using lamb right now. You can use ground chicken, you can use ground turkey, you can use ground beef, whatever ground meat you want to use. I just am choosing to use lamb for this particular recipe right now. But I'm going to get all this nice and mixed in. Then I'm going to start forming my meatballs. Okay, now I am making the meatballs, and all I need to do is grab a little meat and form it into a ball, as you guys can see right now. And also, I am going to put these meatballs on a sheet pan that I covered in tin foil. And I covered the sheet pan in tin foil to save me on cleanup, because I told you guys I am tired, so I will not be scrubbing any dishes tonight. Okay, now as you can see, I have my lamb meatballs all prepped and ready. So all I've got to do is stick them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. By then, my potatoes should be done as well. Okie dokie. My lamb is nice and brown, and I'm checking my potatoes, and they are nice and soft. So dinner is officially ready. All I have to do is fix my plate. And that is how you make lazy lamb meatballs. Now, as you guys saw, that was just 1, 2, 3, easy. So, when you're tired and like me don't feel like being bothered, you can whoop this up really quick. Now, I did also pair my meatballs with some green beans I made the other day. If you want to see how I did my green beans, just let me know in the comments below. Alright, my lovelies, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave me a comment, and if you have not yet, slap that subscribe button like it owes you money. And don't forget to give that little notification bell a ring. And with that, my lovelies, my tummy is a rumbling, and I am ready to get to eating, so that my tongue can dance into a world of lamb-tastic magic.